Welcome to our guide on how to comment with a photo on a pin in Pinterest, updated for 2025. If you're looking to enhance your engagement on this visual platform, adding photos to your comments can be a great way to express your thoughts and share your creativity. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in so you can easily navigate through the platform. Next, from the home page, scroll through your feed to find the pin you want to comment on. This could be anything from a recipe that caught your eye to an inspiring DIY project. Once you spot it, tap on the pin to open it. Now that you have the pin open, look for the comments section. You'll see an option labeled Comments below the pin. Click on it to view existing comments and add your own. In the Comments section, you'll notice a photo icon at the bottom right of the screen. Click on this icon to begin adding your image. This feature allows you to select a photo from your device's gallery or take a new one right then and there. After selecting or capturing your photo, you can also type a message if you'd like to add context or share your thoughts about the pin. Once you're satisfied with your comment and photo, simply click Post to share it with the Pinterest community, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily comment with a photo on any pin, making your interactions more engaging and visually appealing. Remember, adding personal touches like images can spark conversations and connect you with other users who share similar interests. So, go ahead and try it out. Happy pinning!